Good evening. I'm going to do a special reveal here. I have some rambutan seeds that I've been trying to germinate, and I actually completely forgot about this and left it in the garage for the past 2 weeks. Just grabbed onto it. It looks like it's doing something in there, but I'm really not sure what it's doing, so let's open it. Let's open this thing up. Let's do this. Definitely was humid, you could tell. All I did was I took and placed these two on the top of some damp paper towels. They don't seem to have done anything. Wow! Look at that. There are, it looks like two germinating. I'm not sure about that one so much. Look at that one. It's germinating too. Okay, so I'll set this one on the underside has the taproot. This one looks like it's trying to form a taproot. Awesome. I'm looking at that. I'm looking at this one. It doesn't look too promising. This one looks like it was trying to grow a taproot or whatnot, so we'll set it aside. Let's just set those aside. That's it. That's all I had in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these in some pots. Let's do this. So yeah, my favorite method is use this stick. So let's do this. I'll set the definite big one. It looks like a good thing. Let's make a bigger space for it. And just set it right in there. Right? I'll just kind of put the soil over top of it, and then I'll water it. Stay tuned, more is coming. I want to see the progress of these rambutans. I've got some over there as well that seem to be popping out of the soil. So both methods seem to work for germinating. So stay tuned as I'll give you a progress report in a couple weeks. Thanks for watching.